First, we can find the area eliminated by candle fitting surface. How much surface is eliminated when the candle is 10 feet away from a bore 5 feet in radius? The drawing would look like this. You could draw something like this, and this will be the height of the zone that we're looking for after 2. The candle. Now, this triangle and this triangle are similar, so we can use ratio and proportion. First, it's draw the big triangle and the small triangle. Small triangle we need is 5, and this would be r minus h because this is h and the whole thing is r. So r, we want to know what is r. 5, so this is 5 minus uh, r 5 minus h 5 minus h, and this would be the height for this, for the base for this would be, or its height. Let's know the height first, which is 10 plus the height, and the base would be the same as this side of the small triangle. So let's find the small side, or the long leg of the smaller triangle using Pythagorean. So the side would be, let's say, as the square root of 25 minus 5 minus h square. Simplify. 25 minus 25 minus 10 h plus h squared square root, and simplify even further. 25 minus 25 plus 10h minus h squared, so cancel, and we're left with this 10h minus h squared. Let's write that down. H equals square root of 10h minus h squared. Since they have the same s, so we could write s here. Now, using ratio and proportion, 10 plus h over s, which is square root of 10h minus h squared, is equals to, the s here would be square root of 10h minus h squared all over 5 minus h. Now, let's cross multiply to get the value of h. So we get the value of h, we get to know the area of the first, or the zone. So multiply 50 minus 10h 10 times h is 5h minus h squared equals 10h minus h squared. So they cancel out. We get 10h equals to 5h. 50 minus 5h, and get 15h plus 50, and therefore h is equals to 50 over 10, which is 10 over 3. Now that we already know the h, let's say we already know it's given that r is equals to 5. So using the formula of the zone, which is 2 pi r h, get 2 pi times 5 times 10 over 3. And using calculator, or we just get 100 pi over 3. And using calculator, 100 pi over 3, we get approximately 104.72 feet squared.